Hi friends, Angela here. So it's been so long since I've been outside, and unfortunately we're like in the middle of Missouri drought, and so everything's dying. But I thought today we would do something fun and I would show you guys all of my house plants that have come outside for the summer. All right, here we go. All right, so the first little guys here that I have are some of my succulents, and this is like the first time for me ever bringing them outside. Look, here's a dead leaf. Oops. But my ponytail palms have been doing okay. They need a little bit more water than the rest of these guys, and this guy's lost a few leaves because I watered this more, and then they get a little wet. Anyways, it's doing pretty good. Look at the cute little hen and chick here. It's growing. So these guys get intense afternoon sun, but yet they're all still pretty happy and doing pretty good. I got lots of dead leaves on this guy. We had a couple like really heavy rainstorms. But anyways, my goal will be to fill this all up eventually and then bring it inside under some grow lights for the summer. So we'll pop over here to my beautiful, you guys remember my angel snow jasmine plant. So it has this like delicate, beautiful little flowers, all this bright new green growth. And I just have it in a vanity pot right now. It's in plastic, but it's doing so great. This came from 4 tiny little plugs. And is really doing well. It gets some good afternoon sun, and then in the hottest part of the afternoon it actually is shaded, so it's perfect. It's growing so well. I honestly forgot what I put in here. Oh, it was a root from my peony plant, and I wasn't sure if I threw it in dirt if it would still survive. So you can see, like, this is our grass. This is the yard, but the gardens are doing pretty good. I had a bug problem, ate that entire hosta. Back here, I have some blue star fern. It got scorched in the sun, you can see. So I shoved it over here. This is all like, these are all shade plants. Not sure what I'm gonna do with that. I'll probably bring those in. But anyways, let's stop for a second. Okay, so look, these are all of spider plant babies that have been growing so well outside. There's my fur babies, 2 of them. But look, the variegation is returning. Sorry, I'm like pretty sketchy out here today, guys. I've got some bug issues. Look at that. I'm gonna have to do something about it. But I've got a million other plants in the house, so this one might just go away. Anyways, those are all going to be gifts. This is what I really wanted to show you guys. This blue star fern. It's completely shaded under this big tree, but look how big and incredible that is. It's looking great. All that new growth. Very happy. These are all the hostas that were in my parents' yard in Minnesota. Doing pretty good. A couple leaves not making it after our big storms. That's why my plants are always knocked over, and that's why the other half of them are dead. All right, just a couple more to show you guys. So these are my wandering Jew cuttings. If you watched me all winter, you know that I bought 1 plant last year, and then I brought in a couple of clippings and replanted them outside, and look how gorgeous that is. I love this arrangement. These are Silver Falls, Dichondra Silver Falls, I think. Some, I don't know, guys, silver frost. Look, the boys have put American flags everywhere. Not just the one. We had another potato vine, but it didn't make it. It was on this side, so it was even. But we're just literally, this is just shoved in the backyard next to my husband's bait tank stuff. But it looks so gorgeous, and it's so full. And I just love all the great colors that come from this. So very happy. Oh, we got some death in there. That's what happens when you're outside. Anyways, it's looking really good. And then you guys know my mother plant, brought her outside this year. My mother spider plant. She's got a couple babies over here. What I love, and I'm so excited to show you guys, is that she's become less stressed. She's got more sunlight, and her variegation is returning. So all the new growth has the beautiful variegation. This plant is huge. I tried repotting her, I don't know, a couple weekends ago. I couldn't get her out of the pot. Her root system is horrible. I mean, huge, not horrible, like good. Oops, sorry guys. I'm gonna have to have my husband help me with her so I don't like bust her all up. But anyways, The toads live back there, the dogs like to eat the crickets, and this plant is going to get cut up and divided into fourths probably in the next couple weeks, so you'll get a video on that. Anyways, let me flip this around. Kind of, ooh, I don't even know what you can see back there. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in this quick fun little video. Hope you're all having a great day, and we will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.